Hey everyone, how are you? So today we're going to talk about stocks versus real estate. But before we get started, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Okay, so which one is it? Is it stocks or is it real estate? So before I say anything, what do you think I'm going to say? Which one? Give you some time. Is it stocks or real estate? Which one? Give you about 15 seconds. Or what's your opinion? What is your opinion? Okay, stocks or real estate. So when it comes between stocks and real estate, the answer is both. Both stocks and real estate. So with the stock market, if you stay in there 20 years, your chance of losing money is 0. Stocks is something that you should have been in 30 years ago. So say if you started at the age of 20, stocks creates millionaires. So you would already be a millionaire. As far as the stock market goes, you don't have to be rich to invest. You can invest with $5. This money is growing on its own without you doing anything. So say you put some money in the stock market. Let's say $100 at the age of 20. Okay, you just let that $100 just sit there and don't add anything else to it. So the stock market multiplies that money. So your money is growing without you doing anything to it. That's the stock market. You don't have to be rich to invest in the stock market. Also, this gives you liquidity in the event that something happens. Say, for example, you lose your job. People are losing their jobs left and right. Doesn't matter how old you are. Like, there's no respect based on age. So you lose your job, you have a place to go get some cash. The stock market. And it's compounding. It's growing on its own. The stock market creates millionaires. And it's something you should have been in 30 years ago. But hey, when you know better, you do better. Right? So that's the stock market for you. So the stock market takes a long time. At least that's what people think. Like, that's for long-term investing. But if you know how to trade, and by trading, I don't mean just jumping in there and seeing what happens. I mean actually studying it and learning how to read the charts. Studying it, learning it, and knowing it. Trading is creating millionaires like in 1 year. And what stops people from doing it is that you don't believe it. You don't believe it. Right? So sometimes things are right in front of our face and we heard about it. Maybe you heard about it 10 years ago. Maybe someone discouraged you, someone that you love, they discouraged you because they don't trust the stock market. They don't trust trading. And you know that this person loves you and they want the best for you. And so you were persuaded by the person who loved you. Maybe that's what happened. But, you know, these are things that you you see, you see it, it's all around you, but you don't believe it, right? So some people will act and then other people won't act because they don't believe it. So, but this is the stock market. The stock market creates millionaires. For long term investors, this is a slow process, slow and long process. For traders, guess what they're trading? They're trading stocks. Um, but you know, there are different kind of traders out here. But I'm talking about the stock market out here. They are trading stocks, and some are becoming millionaires in a very short period of time. Those are the people that study beforehand. They're not just jumping in there to see what happens and losing money. Like when you just jump in without studying, that's how you lose money. When it comes to trading, when it comes to long-term investing, as long as you stay in there, you're going to create wealth for yourself. So that's the stock market. Real estate is less risky. People like real estate because it's a tangible asset. You can see it, you know it's there, you know that people always need a place to live. Um, you are not concerned about these up and down fluctuations that happen with the stock market. You know it's a real asset. It's there, it's real estate. Gives you several different ways of generating money through appreciation. You got cash flow, huge tax benefits. There is depreciation, bonus depreciation, cost segregation. So, real estate is important because your wealth is in the equity. So, when you think about net worth, and a lot of people don't think about net worth. When you think about net worth is your equity minus your debt. So, the more equity you have, the higher your net worth. And so, what is equity tied to? Equity is tied to real estate. So, when you have real estate, you are gaining equity. And a high net worth is your equity minus your debt. And that's how you become a millionaire. On the real estate side, people like real estate because it's less risky. Um, you're not going through these, oh, it's down today, oh, it's up today. Oh, Elon Musk said something is down. Um, now the other guy he spoke and now it's down. Oh, now it's a bull market. Oh, now it's bear market. So people like real estate because stable, less risky. People always need a place to live. Um, Not to say that real estate doesn't have challenges also, because it does have challenges. You have to make sure that you're buying the right property that is going to give you profit, um, instead of taking money out of your pocket. So you still have to make sure you're buying the right property as far as real estate goes. So when it comes to stock market versus real estate, both both is the answer. Stock market is going to help you out if you lose your job. If you lose your job, real estate is not liquid. It's not liquid. And I'm sure you're not going to want to sell the property. But if you do sell the property, that's going to take time. Like you can't go get cash right away. Um, out of your real estate until you build a portfolio. It's going to take time to build a portfolio. So the real estate is what is going to free you from your job, but you have to build the portfolio. And then you're getting the cash flow from your tenants. Stock market, this is a long-term thing, provides liquidity. And then this can also free you from a job if you have been doing it a long, long time, or if you learn how to trade. All right. So that is your answer. The answer is both. So what do you think? And what are you going to do? Are you doing the stock market? Or are you doing real estate? Are you going to do both? Or are you choosing one or the other? So let me know in the comments. What is your choice? All right. Thank you for watching. Before you leave, do me a favor and hit that like button on your way out. All right. Have a good night. Talk to you later.